Okay, so I'm getting this for work, but I might as well do a video on it. This is an outdoor high power wireless access point or a Wi-Fi repeater for one of our campgrounds. I'm going to do an unboxing and an installation and review and stuff. It's for one of our campgrounds. They have Wi-Fi, but it's in a building that's far from the camp host. So this is just going to get a little bit closer so she can use it better. So let's get it open. I'm fast. Let's see here. Standard packaging. This is the actual unit. Nice. Antenna ports there. Assuming this is the power. Oh. Cable for that. Cool, mounting hardware. Antennae. Neat. Alright, so I'm probably going to take a trip down tomorrow or Saturday. Today's Thursday, so tomorrow, Saturday. Maybe Sunday. It'll be less crowded there. Let me turn this on. Might be less crowded there on Sunday. So, we'll see. Sometime this week I'm going to get out to Wheeler Gorge and we'll do the install and the, you know, like a little demo of it. All right, see you in a little bit. All right, so I'm here in the office at Wheeler Gorge here, setting this thing up. I almost forgot to record. Here are all the pieces. I'm just going to put it together real quick. All right, so here it is put together with the little antenna on. This little box connects to the back here. I guess for programming, the instruction booklets, it's not as easy as the last one that I did. That's like for inside your house, but that's not working as good anymore because it's been outside. It's very tedious, it looks like, but let's check it out step by step. No, I'm not going to read this with you, but I'm going to set it up and see how long it takes me. Okay, so I've connected the cabling, how they tell you to connect it, and then I connected to the actual, this is that little white router, and now I'm going to an IP address to make some setting adjustments. Okay, so I got to the configuration page, and it's only in Japanese or Chinese. I'm not even sure what languages those are, but not English. Let's see if this says anything in the notes here. Languages. There we go. English. All right. Default password is admin, lowercase, just normal. Excellent. So logged in and it gave us the control panel. Neat. All right, let me set this up and then I'll get back to you guys. All right, so I just input all the settings to make it a repeater, and now it's setting things up. Let's see how long this takes. Done, I think it's done. Let's check here. Okay, good. So there it is. That's the extender that I just made. This is the normal Wi-Fi. All right, so let's go outside and set it up where it's going to be.